Ocean's 11, The Thomas Crown Affair, Robin Hood, Puapua Lena Lena. What do these mo'olelo have in common? Well, they're all about great thieves, and they're all about these incredible heists. People like these kinds of stories because they challenge authority, they challenge the establishment, they highlight cleverness and skill. They're thrilling, they're suspenseful, and they're stories about doing the impossible. This mo'olelo has all of that. O keia ka mo'olelo o ʻIwa, ke keiki aihue o ka mokupuni o ka kuhi hewa. This is the story of ʻIwa, the thieving child of the island of Oahu. So this story is cute because ʻIwa is just a keiki. He's just a little kid, and they say he was a keiki maʻi lewa lewa, which means that he was not even old enough to wear a malo. And yet, he becomes the most celebrated aihue of Hawaii. They even said that he was so skilled, he was stealing from the time he was in the opu of his makuahine, in his mother's womb. So this mo'olelo begins with Kea'au. And Kea'au is a lawai'a, a fisherman, from Kea'au, Puna, Hawaii. And Kea'au has in his possession a magical lure made out of leho shells. Beautiful leho shells, reddish brown, so prized. And he names his lure Kalokuna Leho. And they say it was so kupanaha, so magical, that all he had to do was take it out, put it on the side of the canoe, and boom, all the he'e would come climbing into the wa'a. So something like this, something this great, word gets around. And so the ali'i nui, Umialiloa, hears about it. And he sends his men to go get that lure. And that's his right as the ali'i nui. And so his men go and they retrieve it from Kea'au. Kea'au gets really depressed. And he thinks, I gotta get my leho back. That's my prized leho. What am I gonna do? So he loads up his wa'a with all the finest things of his district of Puna. He gets a pua'a. He gets the ava kaula'au o Puna, the ava that grows in the crooks of the trees. He gets 2 kinds of the finest kapa, the o'u holowai and the eleuli. And he goes in search of an aihue that can get his leho back. So he goes all around the island of Hawaii, but away, Wohoka. Disappointment. Can't find anybody who'll do the job. Comes all the way to Maui, goes all the way around the island. Hokahou. Disappointed again. Goes to Kaho'olawe, to Lanai, to Molokai. A'ohe mea I loa'a. Couldn't find anybody. But there on Molokai at Kalaiokala'au, he meets another lawai'a. And the lawai'a asks him, "Oh, owai oia, hea ka hua ka'i o ka hele ana mai? Who you and what you doing?" And so Kea'au tells him, brah, I'm a lawai'a too, and the chief Umi, he took my leho punahele. This thing was so nice, all you had to do was just put him in the water and the he'e come. So attracted to it. I gotta get him back. The lawai'a tells him, brah, no worry. You gonna get your leho punahele back. Go across the channel, straight for Makapu'u. When you get to Makapu'u, go to Mokapu, ka mokumanua na li'i. And then head straight for the pali. Over there, you can see one kukui grove, and that will be Waikane. You can see one keiki running around. That's him, ʻIwa. Oh, mahalo, mahalo, Kea'au tells the other fisherman. Ke, I going. So he follows the directions, sails to Makapu'u, goes to Mokapu, heads straight for the pali, e hale hale maiana. And he sees that kukui grove, sees the beach there at Waikane, jumps off his wa'a, and wouldn't you know it, he sees a little keiki running around without a malo, and he calls, "Oi, hey, you ʻIwa?" And the boy looks at him and he goes, "A'ole, ʻIwa went home." So Kea'au goes to the house, follows the path to the kukui grove. And then he meets somebody who turns out to be ʻIwa's father. And he says, "Oh, I'm looking for ʻIwa." And the father says, "You saw one kikiliʻiliʻi running around on the beach. That's him." So Kaʻao goes all the way back to the beach and he says, "Hey, Kekeiki. Oh, I know ʻIwa. You're ʻIwa. What's up with that?" And the boy just laughs. Kaʻao proceeds to give all of the things that he brought as an uku, as payment for this job that he wants ʻIwa to do for him. So then ʻIwa says, "Oh, you know what? Come back to my hale. We can eat and rest, and then, yeah, you know what? I can do that job. I'll go with you. Tomorrow we can go."